boring day in my life. It was so like okay, then we have day. Oh, that's a lot of kind. Good morning guys and welcome to Vlogmas day 5. I'm so excited. Actually, I don't understand why I always say like, welcome to Vlogmas day 5. I'm so excited. Am I really excited? Questionable. Also, look at my budget today. I like this dress. Like, I won't wear it outside because I think it's a bit too poofy. But I like to wear it at home. I think it's just... it gives that element of surprise. Today is a Tuesday and plans for today. Let's go over plans for today. First thing is I need to finish, I think, 2 makeup videos I need to do. I've been thinking of this transition for the longest time. I think you've seen this, you must have seen this transition already posted on my Instagram. But it's that, you know, that song Vena Macha Vena in the Ponunga Kadale. So I have an idea of the transition. I will play the song and then we'll go through it together. So I'm hoping to do the transition today. I've been thinking about it for the past year, I would say. Every time I've heard that song, every time I've come to that bridge, I've thought of this and I told myself like, please, let's just sit and do it today. Because guys, honestly, makeup is my #1 passion. Makeup, putting on makeup, doing those crazy eyeshadows is my thing, I would say at this point. It is my thing, it is my passion. So I want to finish that. It's about 10:50 now, perfect timing. I love starting makeup videos in the morning or doing it like super late at night. I cannot do it in the afternoon, I don't know why. My brain is just weird. That is the idea. And then if we have time, I want to go to IKEA. I want to go to IKEA and I want to get frames. I have bought a bunch of portraits, like canvas portrait stuff from Shein, and I want to put them into frames and then get the Anne to come and drill the thing into the wall or just hang it up in the wall, something like that. But I need to get the frames from IKEA first. So hopefully we can do like a quick IKEA run today, just you and me, maybe my friends if they are free. Yeah, but that's roughly the plan. I wanted to order the frames online. The frames came up to about 156 and delivery was 80 ringgit. And IKEA is just what, a 5-6 minutes drive from here. So I'm like, no, let me just go get it. Like, you know, let me just go get it. So we do that. Yesterday I realized we didn't do our advent calendar, so let's do. So we're gonna do day 4 and 5 today because clearly I was so stuck into cleaning that I've forgotten that I need to unbox. I know your mind voice already. You're like, hello sis, where is the YSL? And I'll just take the photo. Yeah, do you see? It's already the 5th day. This is how I procrastinate, guys. I will get it up today. If I don't know what to say. Day 4 from Benefit. It's a blush. I like getting blushes. Oh, blushes are my favorite. Is this blush my favorite? I don't think so. It's a bit too light for me. 100% too light. So I'm just going to keep it and give it away. We love blushes. I am a blush girly. 100%. Okay, then we do... Okay, then we have day 5. What is this? Moisturizing matte lip tint. It's a tiny tube. Tiny. So tiny. I will lose it in my bag. Okay, it's a like a tint. Is it a tint? I don't know. Is it a tint? Yeah, it's a tint. but I feel it's a bit too tiny. Do you get me? Like the box, this. I think that's the thing with advent calendars. If you get advent calendars that actually give you full size, like I would say at least 40% full size, I think that's a really worth it advent calendar. Okay, now Paula's choice. We're going to do 4 and 5. But it's actually really worth it because you get 2 full size of the main products like the BHA thingy and all, and you also get stuff like this. This is the vitamin C. I know everybody talks so much about this vitamin C, and then we have the Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. Okay, I'm thinking this is the most perfect because Paula's Choice, I wouldn't say it's cheap, but it's definitely like mid-tier pricing for skincare. And if you ever want to try, like, you know, I always said skincare is a trying thing. Like, you have to try to know if it works for you. So it's literally the best thing to do, like, if you want to try it. Now let's do Lancome. Open it. We're gonna open it up. Okay, so we have 4 and 5. Let's do 4. We've got our first perfume. This is the Trésor. Oh my god, we got our first perfume. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is the Trésor one. Personally, I like to put it back because I would like to maintain the whole ship until the end of the Advent season. It's my favorite, the Genifique serum, the new one. I think this is the new one. This one, guys, remember I was telling you in the Bangkok vlog, the claim is it can repair a year worth of damage to your skin in a week, in like 7 days if you use it consistently. And I personally really like it. Has it really improved damages? I would say yes to a certain extent, but not completely. But you know, with skincare, if something promises you, like really promises you to cancel everything out in 7 days, I think that's a bit skeptical. But it definitely did give me a bit of changes, like more hydrated. My texture was improving a bit more. I just need to be consistent. I used to have the Lancome. Oh my god, where is it? Oh my gosh. I just realized that I'm missing a perfume. And I've not seen that perfume in like, I don't know, months since I shifted. Anyways, I'm gonna go and sort out my hair. No, I'm gonna start the tutorial first because it's already 11. Let's go. Guys, I'm done. I filmed the transition. It's taken me way too long than expected, but I'm sure you've seen the transition already. Let's go take off my makeup first. I think in the last 2 vlogs, what cleansing oil do I use? Basically any cleansing oil works, guys. The Then I Met You one is actually very nice, but I'm going to be very honest. Have I really noticed the difference between like super expensive products versus like drugstore ones? Honestly, no. Like the Garnier Micellar Water does an amazing job. But oil cleanser like a balm or an oil cleanser will remove more makeup. Is there a huge difference between these and the ones sold at the drugstore versus like Sephora? Honestly, not so much, I would say. Like the Ashyy Edward one, okay, that one you can memang see a difference because it breaks down the makeup like super effectively. But essentially, remember guys, makeup remover, especially balm or oil, is essentially just oil. So find something that works for you. Sometimes, you know, you would like a certain brand or like it's within a certain range of a budget. So it's not much of a difference actually. I get one of these sponges. You can actually buy them at like Guardian, and then I will take it off. I've always said this, taking out your makeup is as important as putting on makeup, as it's important as skincare. Because remember, when you take off makeup, makeup essentially goes into your pores. So you want to make sure you take it off completely so that, you know, your pores are not clogged and then you get acne. It's a whole cycle. The only thing with like purple eyeshadow is it stains the lids. I don't know if you can see. A little bit of sacrifice for makeup. Yes? Really? Just taking off my makeup. Hello. Oh, thank you. Oh Lord, so sweet. Hot pack for my painful stomach. How do you use this?
This one you can put in the microwave.
Okay.
Or you can put in hot water.
Okay.
This one you have to put hot water inside.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, I'm starving. We've not eaten. I saw a recipe for baked eggs. Let's go do that. We're going to crack this up into the bowl first. I actually just saw this recipe on Instagram and it looks so easy to do. 3 eggs, just a splash of milk. I don't know, I've seen Gordon Ramsay do that, so no, I want to put a bit of cayenne first. Bit of cayenne. Oh, that's a lot of cayenne. Jeez. Okay, so this is gonna go into the oven for about 15-20 minutes, I guess. Guys, I also like sauteed up some mushrooms. It's slightly burnt, but it's fine. It's fine. It looks amazing. Is it hot? Oh yeah, obviously. Oh, yes, that legit looks really nice. And it's going to be Mr. Lincoln as usual. Guys, it's already the 3rd season and there's only 3 seasons. Internally crying, but I'm excited for that movie. Carry on. I'm just going to be here with my scrumptious little meal. And let's hope it loads. I don't know what is happening. Okay, bye. Hello, everybody. Okay, we're gonna go and see my friends for some coffee. It's an evening coffee date. I didn't know where I wanted to sell it. No, my lips are dry. No, I brought lip gloss. Let me take it out. I'm not going to go and buy another one. Like, no, I brought the Kylie one. I don't know where I can slot in this whole IKEA thing. Also, this weekend, guys, it's actually Ivan's birthday. This weekend, 8th December, is his birthday, and I'm still trying to figure out like what to do for him. It's Sunday. His birthday's on a Sunday. I don't know. I need to like figure things out. This IKEA thing, I need to figure out way. I need to like put it into a day. I need to get those frames up. Christmas is coming. I hate this turning. I'm so nervous that someone behind is going to be like, can you just go? Okay, I'm going. One of my life's greatest joy is doing what? Is driving and listening to songs. That's one of my life's greatest joy. Like if I'm feeling stressed, I just need to go for a drive and listen to songs, which is what I'm gonna do right now. You. Hello. Happy Vlogmas Day 5. Vlogmas Day 5. Lemonade. We're just chilling, guys. We're just chilling. We're just chatting. And we need to sort this out, guys. We need to sort this out. It's been a day. I would say days like this, I'm going to title this vlog a boring day in my life. It was so like, I know there was literally nothing happened today, and I feel that's the issue when I try to focus on doing content for Instagram, and then maybe if we have to go out for meetings and stuff, things get a bit like overwhelming, because like, you know, technically when you go for meetings you have to be present in the meeting, you cannot be vlogging technically. And then I went for a quick coffee with the girls, which ended up being like a whole session, like things that you do with girls. You talk about life, you talk about things that maybe you're going through and stuff, and that few hours just went by, and the last thing you want to do is put up your camera. So yeah, it was a boring day. Like basically you saw me do nothing today, literally nothing, and I'm so sorry, but I have to be very realistic. 90% of the days actually look like that, but I will plan things to I will plan things to do for Vlogmas. I've not edited this vlog, which is like stressing me. I'm stressing. It's like 1:16 now. I will start editing now, and I don't know what time I'm going to sleep, but that's fine. At least we just get it up and be done with it, and not be done with it. Like I want to get this up. I don't want this task to spill into tomorrow. If not, everything else will pile up. Tomorrow we have another whole day. I've got events, but we'll see. I know this vlog literally had nothing. Like even I'm uploading it now, I know like when I want to upload it, I know there's not much quality content produced today. I have to say I'm sorry, but doing Vlogmas is just that some days has to be like super realistic, and I don't want to fake it or whatever lah. You know, I can talk like for hours, right? So I just want to say I'm really sorry. I'll do better from here on. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching here. I'm tired. I'm cramping, but it's okay. We got this. I love you so much. Thank you for watching until here, and I'll see you tomorrow.